Nowadays, the internet and smartphone have become an integral part of our life. We tend to use our smartphone for almost all of our day-to-day tasks. We used to shop at malls, queue up in front of banks, and make our travel bookings at travel agencies. But now, we merely do all of these kind of things in our homes using our smartphone. But how can? For example, we can buy anything we want using Shopee or Lazada, or making any online transfer without to go to the public bank. And we can also use the app that called Trivago to book a room or hotel that we want. This is possible because of a high-level programming language called Java. So guys, today I'm gonna talk about the introduction of Java and maybe a little bit about Flowchart. Okay, let's get started. Java is a computer-based programming language that invented by James Gosling and Sun Microsystems in 1991. They named this language Oak because of the oak tree outside Gosling's office. Later, it was named to Green, then to Java Coffee, which named after the coffee from Indonesia, and finally to Java in 1995. Okay, that is a little bit about an introduction or more to the history of the Java itself. So now we're moving to the next part, which is flowcharts. Okay, what is the flowchart actually? Flowchart is a graph or show a step-by-step solution using a symbol, which means that every single symbol represents a task. There are a lot of symbols in flowchart. For example, we have arrows, decision, input and output, process, start and end symbols, and so on. So I'm gonna explain a little bit about the function or the task of the symbols. Okay, first we have start end. The shape is a rounded rectangle, and start is required of all flowcharts, mean that every flowchart required to have a start. And thirdly, some flowcharts may not have an end. Okay, next we have process. Process is rectangle. Process involves the action or the verb part of the flowchart, such as feeding the cat, turn motor on, turn the light off, rotate the part, and so on. Okay, then we have input output. Many times in a program, the users need to input some data or some values, or the program is going to output information to the user or to another computer. So for this, we use parallelogram, indicate that our manual operation needed, and some explain such as type in the wake, check the balance, time the operation. Arrow, we need to keep track of the direction of the flow right, and so arrows do that. Sometimes there is one arrow in case of decision, and maybe two arrows for yes or no. Yes for one direction, no for another direction. Okay, now I will give you one simple example about flowchart. Here I want to calculate how much zakah fitrah that one family needed to pay. Okay, now we just drag the input symbol, double click on it, and we just write on the prompt. Prompt means that instruction to do. I put here ahli keluarga, and don't forget to put double quotation, and the variable is the text or number to represent something. Okay, next drag output symbol, double click on it, and put the variable that I just have entered at the input symbol. Okay, now drag the rectangle symbol, and then we just at the set For me, I just write multiply, and next we put 7 because 7 is the amount of zakat fitrah right now, and we multiply with the n1. Okay, next we run the flowchart. I enter 5 because I have 5 siblings including me, and now there is the result, which is 35. So I need to pay 35 ringgits. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again soon. Bye bye.